Hello, my name is Maddox or Killshot Armory, and today I'll be doing a review on the Eaton tool and the Life Gear multi-tool. Let's start off with the Eaton tool. This is actually very good for its price. It will be. I do carry it on my survival bag, and it includes a spork, a bottle opener, 3 wrenches, I'm not sure the exact sizes, and a carabiner. Also, you can attach this onto your belt, or if your belt's that size, maybe if you have a small belt. But I recommend just attaching this to your belt. It works very well. Next we have the Life Gear multi-tool, kind of. It has a flashlight. This I also carry on my survival bag. Flashlight, just a simple LED flashlight. It just has one LED. By the way, these are both in the basically under $7, under $10. Maybe if you're unlucky, then you might find it for over, but it's normally should be under $7, about less than 20 bucks combined. But continuing, got just a simple carabiner, single LED flashlight, does not need batteries. Comes with batteries. I'll show you. Actually, I'm not even sure. It uses it uses magnets or something. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I think it comes with batteries. Just twist it. It goes on. It has a whistle that's very loud at the end of the video. I'll show you a test of that, which will